Let's get into market outlook real quick. So, market's at all-time highs. Qs are at all-time highs. But this is the most trash all-time high market I've ever seen in my life, and I'll tell you why. So, if you look around the market, yes, the Qs are at highs, yes, the SPYs are at highs, but about, 30% of the Qs or something like that is just comprised of, Amazon, Apple, what's going on? Apple, Facebook, Google, Microsoft, and these guys are carrying the market. But if we look under the hood, we look at the small caps, IWM, they're selling off today. They're stuck in a range. We can look at the Nifty 50, FFTY. These are the top growth stocks. These have been doing nothing the entire year. So it hasn't been much of a trader's market, I would say. It's a great investors market or long-term investors market right now. And then, let's look over to FinViz right here. I just saw these stats today that are very interesting. It has right here, total stocks above and below the 50-day moving average. This is the New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, and Amex. And not even 50% of stocks are above the 50-day moving average. When we look at the SPY, the 50-day moving average, it's what is that? 5% higher than the 50-day moving average. So when you see things like that, you'd expect, it'd be much more broad market gains, but it's really, really confined to a few stocks. That's why it's been very difficult lately. It's been very selective, really this whole year, because that's kind of the market we've been in. That's really it. So I'm personally just kind of sitting now waiting for earnings season to get really back involved. I don't really see anything out there that's too good. What are your thoughts over there, Bennett?
I'm with you. I think, the last 2 weeks we have been doing very little from a trading standpoint other than, holding some winners that we've been in for some time. But it just, we can't be trading and kind of swinging for the fence every day. Sometimes, especially in the summer, we tend to get some lighter volume and it tends to get a little more boring where kind of less is more. So I'm with you on that.
Yeah, last summer was really, really good. You could blame that on the retail traders or whatever, everyone being stuck inside. Mm-hmm. But even the summer before that was pretty good. The volume was good and the volume was decent, but the action was good. Right now, I think the action, broad market-wise, is just trash.